very good morning to all the students of class 8. Today we are going to study English grammar. Topic is affirmative to negative. In this video we are going to learn the rules how to change sentence from affirmative to negative. Now let us begin with this topic, affirmative to negative. Affirmative to negative. Affirmative sentence. See, the sentence which are of affirmative, they are positive by nature first of all, and the second, no negations like not, no, nothing, never. All these things are not used in positive sentence, that is affirmative sentence. Now we'll talk about negative sentence. Negative sentence, they are negative by nature. Negations like no, never, not, nothing, nobody, etc. All these things are used in negative sentence. Now we will discuss about the most common methods that are used. We use of opposites, use of double negation, that is negative, use of unable, without, failed, avoid, etc. Use of if to unless, use of degree of comparison, use of so, that, use of no sooner, etc. All these things, all these uses we will learn through sentences. We will discuss through sentences. Now first of all we will discuss about opposite. I'll give you a sentence and explain you. See, first sentence is of affirmative. My work is always complete, and we have to make it in a negative form. That is, my work is never incomplete. Complete opposite is incomplete. So in this way we can change from affirmative to negative. The next is degree of comparison. See, when there is a sentence of a positive sentence is there, that is in the form of affirmative, and we have to change in a negative form, so we have to add not plus comparative degree. See, let us see through example. Rohan is as smart as Mohan. See, smart is a positive degree, as smart as. We have to change it in a negative form. So Mohan is not smarter than Rohan. Not is a negative form and smart will become smarter and then Rohan. So this is when there is a sentence of positive, and when we have to change it in a negative one, so we will do it accordingly. Now the second one is comparative. When there is a sentence of a comparative in affirmative, when we have to change it in a negative one, so we will add not plus we will make in a positive form. Let us see through example. John plays better than Alfred. Alfred does not play so good as John. See, better will become good, and so we have add does not. See, does not is a negative form, not. So we have changed this sentence. The sentence is in a comparative form. John plays better than Alfred is in it's an affirmative sentence, and we have to make it in a negative. Then we will add not plus make it in a positive form. Alfred does not play so good as John. The third one is superlative degree. When the sentence is in a superlative degree form, that is in affirmative, we have to add no plus positive. We have to make in this form. Let us see in the example. He is the best batsman in the team. No other batsman in the team is as good as him. See, we made it in a negative one. So we have added no other batsman. He is the best batsman. So when we change it into a negative form, we have to make up this sentence in a positive one, and we have to add no. So no other batsman in the team is as good as him. Now we will add only to none, but let's see. Only he can play good cricket. None, but he can play good cricket. See, when we make in a negative, we need negation like no, never, not. So we add such type of negation. When if only is there, so we will add none. But the second sentence, let us see. They have only two cars. See, here only is there, so we have added they have not more than two cars. We can add this also, not more than. So then it becomes a negative one. If it is as soon as, we have to add no sooner as. Let us see through example. As soon as I get the news, then I will intimate you. It's in an affirmative form and we have to make it a negative one. As soon as will become no sooner do I get the news, then I will intimate you. See, as soon as is changed to no sooner. If unless Richard would go if John accompanies. If is there, we will change it into unless. Richard would not go unless John accompanies. So negative, we have to add not. See, Richard would not go. Same if will become unless John accompanies. Now if two is there, so it will become so that. Sheila is too weak to walk. Sheila is so weak that she cannot walk. The meaning should not change. See, in all affirmative, when you change from affirmative to negative sentence, the meaning of the sentence should be the same. Only we have to add not. Meaning should not change. That's why, see, Sheila is too weak to walk. She is very weak to walk. The same thing we have written in the negative also. Sheila is so weak that she cannot walk. We have made it negative also, but the meaning is same only. So whenever you change from affirmative to negative, the meaning should not change. Use of double negatives. See, we can there are sentences where we use double negative. See, affirmative sentence, everyone cheered the minister. There was no one who did not cheer the minister. See, two negatives, double negatives we have used, no and not. If everyone cheered the minister, there was no one who did not cheer the minister. Now, when we use unable, see, I could not get the tickets. It's a negative sentence. I was unable to get the tickets when you make in a affirmative form. Or vice versa, you make, I was unable to get the tickets. I could not get the tickets. Use of without. I have no money at present. I am without any money at present. See where we use without. Use of avoid. Do not take the shortcuts. Avoid taking shortcuts. See, we have used do not take rather than avoid taking shortcuts. I hope you all have understood this clearly, how to change the sentence from affirmative to negative. Few rules are that if you have to remember this rule where we have to use what, then it would be very easy to understand. Thank you.